Module 6, Lesson 8. In this lesson, we will learn how to write and identify numbers 101 through 120 in a place value chart. You will need a paper and pencil. What number is shown on this place value chart? Write the number on your paper. This place value chart shows the number 100. 10 tens, 0 ones. 10 tens is the same as 100. What would happen if I added another 1? If I added another 1, I would have 10 tens and 1 1. Write the number for 10 tens and 1 1 on your paper. 10 tens and 1 1 is the same as 101. If I added another 1, I would have 10 tens and 2 ones. Write the number for 10 tens and 2 ones on your paper. 10 tens and 2 ones is the same as the number 102. Add another 1 and write that number in a place value chart on your paper. When we add another 1, we have 10 tens and 3 ones. 10 tens and 3 ones is the same as the number 103. Let's count together starting at 98. Listen for when I say stop. 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109. Stop. How many tens and ones are in 109? Write a place value chart on your paper for 109. The number 109 has 10 tens and 9 ones. It looks like this when it's written in a place value chart. Write the number that has 11 tens on your paper. Look at your 10 rods. Write the number that has 11 tens. 11 tens is the same as 110. 11 tens and 0 ones is the same as the number 110. Now let's count together starting at 97 and listen for when I say stop. 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. Stop. How many tens and ones are in the number 105? Write a place value chart on your paper for 105. The number 105 has 10 tens and 5 ones. It looks like this when it's written in a place value chart. This time, let's count together starting at 105 and listen for when I say stop. 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112. Stop. How many tens and ones are in the number 112? Write a place value chart on your paper for 112. The number 112 has 11 tens and 2 ones. It looks like this when written in a place value chart. This time, let's count together starting at 112 and listen for when I say to stop. 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117. Stop. How many tens and ones are in the number 117? Write a place value chart on your paper for 117. The number 117 has 11 tens and 7 ones. It looks like this when written in a place value chart. This time, we're going to start counting at the number 117 and listen for when I say stop. 117, 118, 119, 120. Stop. How many tens and ones are in the number 120? Write a place value chart on your paper for 120. The number 120 has 12 tens and 0 ones. It looks like this when it's written in a place value chart. In this lesson, we learned how to identify the numbers 101 through 120 in a place value chart. If we have 11 tens and 5 ones in a place value chart, that is the same as the number 115. We also learned how to write numbers 101 through 120 in a place value chart. We would write the number 113 as 11 tens and 3 ones. Keep working hard.